Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate ChatGPT in Excel. So let's start. Here is a Excel home screen and currently I am in home tab. So to integrate ChatGPT in Excel, you need to activate one of the add-ins. Okay. So let's say I am in home screen and in the top right corner there is an option of add-ins. So we need to click on it and here I will search for ChatGPT for Excel. Okay. Chat GPT for Excel. It is the add-ins. Okay, so let me add this. There are lots of add-ins, but you can select this one. In few seconds, it will be ready. Okay, so the add-in is already activated. Now we can use ChatGPT function. Okay, for example, there are some free functions which are available in this AI functions. Okay, apart from these function, if you want more formulas like ready-made formulas, then you need to go for subscription. So these are very important formulas. So let me show you how we can use these formulas here. Okay, so I will show you one formula only just for demo purpose, and later you can explore it, right? So there is a function AI dot ask. So let me put the formula here, AI dot ask. Suppose I want to give a prompt like who is a prime minister PM of India, for example. See, it is busy and as of September 2021 the prime minister of India is Narendra Modi. He has been in his office since May 2024, right? So like this you can use these AI formulas like equals to AI dot whatever formula you are using. So this is a simple method to integrate ChatGPT in Excel.